Hello everyone, my name is Nathaniel Cole Davis, and today I'm going to be showing you how to sign in, utilize, and the perks of using Microsoft's OneDrive. Before we begin, there are going to be a few requirements that you're going to have. You're going to have a licensed version of Windows 10 or Windows 11, which is what I will be using today. They can be on either version of 22H2 or 23H2. These will work for either set. And the last thing you're going to need is internet access. So to begin, we're going to come down and we're going to left click on the Start menu. We're going to come up to search for apps. We're going to type in OneDrive. We come over here, we're going to open the OneDrive. I'm prompted here with two different email addresses that I can access. If you signed in with your Microsoft account, you will already have that Microsoft account labeled to start with. But I also have another account attached to this computer, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in with this one. I'm now going to be prompted with the Kent State portal because I am using an enterprise version. If you're not using an enterprise version, such as a company or a school, you'll just have a normal login that's just going to ask for the password. So now your OneDrive folder. I'm going to hit next. It's going to ask me to choose a new folder because I have this saved on a couple different locations. And since I've signed in and out multiple times, so if this issue comes up for you, you can just go ahead and pick a place for this to go. I'm going to pick Documents. So because I've already put this in here, a OneDrive folder already exists on this PC. And since this is the account I use to sign into this, I'm going to choose Use This Folder. Now it's going to go ahead and scan all three of these. I'm going to choose to not back up my desktop, but I'm going to back up my pictures. This is how you would back up entire sections of your computer backup. So now your OneDrive, we're going to go ahead and just skip past this because I'm going to show you everything. There is a mobile app that you can use to access all these files, and we'll get into that later. And we're going to go ahead and just close that out. Now, after you've signed in, the way to access OneDrive, there's a few ways, and I'm going to show you two of them. Down here at your bottom right corner, you're going to have your OneDrive set right here. Or, and this is the personal way I like to do it, is use File Explorer. Left click on File Explorer. And right here, you will see your OneDrive. You'll see the OneDrive symbol, and then your name. And if it's an enterprise, it will show you what enterprise you're a part of. So when you click on it, as you can see, I already have multiple files in here. And they are currently syncing up from other devices or from the cloud to get the most up-to-date version. And once these check marks go green, I can access them without internet access, but they will not upload until I get back into service for my other devices. So just to show that this runs exactly like physical hard drives, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to delete all of my pictures. And those will go to a recycle bin that I can go back and access. But now I'm going to show you how to add specific things off of your device. So we're going to use captures just because there's nothing in here right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it. I'm going to drag it over to here, and it's going to say move to said file. And now if I click back on my OneDrive, I know I have it. So just like that, now it's going to get backed up into my system. It might take a while depending on how fast your internet is or how much you are moving, but it is all completely possible. If we right click on our OneDrive, come down here to where it says OneDrive, and we view settings, we can see how much storage we have. So right now I'm using 0.8 gigabytes of 5 terabytes, which is a lot. And I can also see that I can add multiple accounts if I want to. And if I later go back and decide I want to go through and add all of my files to OneDrive, I can go into Sync and Backup, Manage Backup, and I can add them through here. My documents are not going to work currently because of some sensitive files I have, but everyone else shall be fine. So the last thing is from OneDrive, you can create files, folders, just as if it was a regular hard drive. So if you right click, come up to new, you can see I can do Access Database, PowerPoint, Publisher, text document, Excel, and Microsoft Word. Now, some of the perks of using OneDrive include you can always access your files anywhere you are located as long as you have internet service. This includes off of multiple devices, or even if you are at a trusted public area, you can sign into OneDrive temporarily, access your files that you need, whether it be to print, homework, or any other personal reasons. You can access them anywhere you need. You'll always have a backup of these files no matter what. If my computer crashes today, I don't need to worry about my files I have in here because I know that when I sign in anywhere else that I will have them. And the last one, which is a personal favorite, is I can share folders very easily by just right-clicking, coming down to OneDrive, and just hit share. And I can send them to whoever I need to. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you all found this very informative, and have a wonderful day.